2, 3. Good morning, class. Today we're learning about functional groups in organic chemistry. Now, does anyone know what a functional group is?
Functional groups are specific groups of atoms within molecules that are responsible for the chemical reaction of the molecules.
Wow, I'm surprised you know that. Anyways, today we're going to focus in on one group, mostly because I know your tiny little brains can't comprehend too much information. Gary, I'm talking to you. Anyways, today we're focusing in on the carboxyl group.
That's my favorite group.
Me too. Gary, what's your favorite?
Christina Aguilera.
That's not a group, but whatever. Anyways, formic acid is a very common type of carboxylic acid. It was found by
the English naturalist John Ray in 1671. He found that ants secrete this formic acid for attack and defense purposes. Joseph Gay-Lussac was then able to synthesize it.
Yeah, and then again in 1855, Marcel and Berthelot synthesized one that is similar to the one that's used today. Does anyone know what the carboxyl group is made out of?
Carboxyl is an organic functional group, and carbon is double bonded to an oxygen and then single bonded to the hydroxyl group.
Yeah, good job. There are also proton donors, and their most common type is the bronzyloric acids. Anyways, how far have we read ahead? Now, does anyone know the general characteristics of a molecule that includes the carboxyl group? Sally? Gary? Why do I feel like you're the only one in my class? Answer the question.
Okay, well, they're usually polar, and they have hydrogen bonding, and because of this hydrogen bonding, they have higher boiling points. And they are also weak acids, but they have a strong odor, like vinegar, and when they react with alcohol, they form esters, and these are used in perfumes.
I'm actually wearing one right now. So how far have you read ahead again? Have you read my notes? Now, does anyone know what happens to a molecule usually when a carboxyl group is added? Anyone besides her?
It forms a carboxylic acid.
That's what it does. Can anyone identify the carboxyl group in this molecule?
I can.
Okay, well,
Well, in this non-complex one, it is right here. But in this complex one, it is right here.
Now, naming is tricky, but does anyone know how to do it? Gary?
Does it end with Christina Aguilera?
No, it doesn't end with Christina Aguilera.
No.
Okay.
Okay, well, according to the IUPAC, you take off the E and add oik, like benzoic acid. But for trivial names, you take the IUPAC and you add ic and acid, like formic acid.
That's pretty right, actually. How do you know that?
I'm awesome.
The most widely practiced reactions convert carboxylic acids into esters, amide, carboxylate salts, acid chlorides, and alcohols. Does anyone know the most common types of reactions that they take place in? Gary? No. Were you dropping your head as a child?
Okay, one time. The most common types are acid-base because they are weak acids.
So that was the carboxyl functional group. I hope you all learned something. Gary, I'm sure you didn't, but that's okay. Why do I feel like you're the only one in my class? Who are you? You're not recording, are you? Yeah. Fine.
The most common types are acid-base because they form. They are. The most common types of acid.
Oh my god. Dolly, make it go to the camera. Oh, I got it. Hold this.
Joseph Gay-Lussac was the one who was able to